If you need a super easy appetizer, you have to try my 3-cheese queso. It's all made in a cast iron skillet on the stove, and for this recipe we're using white cheddar, mild cheddar cheese, as well as cream cheese. These 3 cheeses blend together for a perfectly smooth and delicious queso. And then to finish it all off, we're topping with a little tahini. This ingredient adds such a flavorful spice and a little hint of lime. It's my favorite, and I can't wait for you to try this recipe. This is just one of many appetizer recipes on my channel, so don't forget to hit subscribe to stick around for more recipes. To make a good quality queso, you have to freshly grate your cheese. It's a non-negotiable. So start by grating 8 ounces of mild cheddar cheese and 4 ounces of white cheddar cheese. Then allow your cream cheese to come to room temperature and cut it into 1-inch cubes. To end our prep work, we're also mincing up 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, now for the fun part, we're moving on to cooking. All of this is done within a cast iron skillet. First, melt 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Once that's melted, throw the garlic in and allow it to cook for about 1 minute until it's fragrant. Next, you're going to add in your room temperature cream cheese along with 1.5 cups of whole milk. Make sure it's whole milk, you don't want to skimp, we need the fat in this recipe. Stir these ingredients together and allow them to cook for about 10 minutes until the cream cheese is completely melted and there aren't any lumps remaining. If the mixture starts to bubble at any point, turn down the heat to low. Queso is all about cooking it nice and slow. Next, we're going to add in our shredded cheddar cheeses. Add them in 1 handful at a time and slowly whisk, allowing the cheese to fully melt before adding in an additional handful. You can keep doing this until you've added all of the cheese and everything is nice and melted. It should be a silky smooth and creamy consistency. I wanted this queso to have a lot of flavor, so we're also adding in 1 tablespoon of tahini chili lime seasoning. Give that a whisk until it's all combined, and then it's time to plate up. I personally love to serve this in a mini cast iron skillet. The presentation just looks so cute. So I top that with a little bit more tahini and then some jalapenos for an extra kick of spice and some cilantro. You can serve this queso alongside some tortilla chips or your favorite Mexican inspired meal. I promise you are going to love this recipe. For the full ingredient list along with tips and tricks, don't forget to check out the link in the description below.